bilang respeto sa mga kasamahan ko, they were allowed na one to sawa. Dapat maging fair ka, Mr. Chair. Pag sinabi mong 2 questions, 2 minutes talaga, you have to stick with it. You're not being fair, Mr. Chair.
I am fair kasi nandito ka sa...
No, kasi nung last time, sabi mo sa akin, 2 questions lamang. Sabi mo 1 question. Sabi ko, tinitipid mo ako, sabi mo 2 questions. And now, pinapayagan mo kahit na ilang questions. Be fair, Mr. Chair.
Walang potohang nangyari dahil hindi na nga lumaban si Senador Cheese Escudero. Pero ayon sa mga sources at reports, 15 ang nakuhang pirma ni Soto, with the 2 Villars, 2 Tulfos, the entire minority bloc, Kiko Bam, JV Ejercito, at ang kalahati, Pia Cayetano. Meron pa nga raw sinabi si Bongo na kung kinonsulto siya ni Tito Soto, baka pumirma rin siya.
Okay, I'm curious, with 15 to 16 votes supporting you, did your allies try to court the Duterte bloc or hindi nila sinubukan?
No, they did not.
Hindi na. Okay. Oo, so kumbaga they did not even try to ask Bongo, Marcos, hindi na.
Hindi. As a matter of fact, last night, I heard Bongo ba? And Bongo called me and said, if you asked me to sign, I would have signed it, he said.
Pero siguro, para sa akin, ang surprising lang sa sumusuporta kay Tito Soto ay si Pia at ang 2 Villar. Kasi I would have thought na, brothers and sisters stick together. At I didn't know na Villars are, as they look, flip-floppity. I actually really like the way Escudero does his deliberations. Mga deliberasyon ng mga resolusyon o kaya ng mga batas. Hindi katulad ni Soto na consensus-based o panliligaw na mga boto. Instead of Escudero's debate style na format, kasi maganda siyang pang-content. Maraming nagsasagutan, maraming nagsusupalpalan. So ano na ang mga ginawa ni Tito Soto aside from reshuffling at pagpalit kay Marcoleta with Lacson as chairperson ng Blue Ribbon Committee?
There are netizens pitching, why not Senator Risa Ontiveros? Not to take anything away from Senator Ping Lacson, of course, but was that a factor in the decision making?
Yes, indeed. We asked her. I think you'd better ask her why. We asked if she was interested.